Welcome to Tejaswini's maths class. So today we are going to deal with the series. Now in that there is a number series first topic. So I have explained you 4 types of series. So in that, number series is the first one and I have taken few examples here. So the first one will be 1, 9, 25, 49, question mark and 121. So you need to know what is there after 49. So for that, as I told you in the first video, that we need to know few types of series. That means there will be a continuation between first number and the second number. So we need to know that here. Okay. So for that, we can see here that first we have 1, then 9, next 25, 49. So first we can write this as 1 square. Next we can write this as 3 square. Next we can write this 25 as 5 square. Next 49 as 7 square. And 121 as 11 square. So as you can see here, so we know that 1, 3, 5, 7 and here next number should be 9. Why? Because so it is going with an odd square series, right? So next should be 9 square, because as every number it is being repeated with the square, like multiplied with the same number again. So same like that, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and 9 square will be your answer. So 9 square is how much? That is 81. So your answer will be 81 for the first option. So next, the second one, you have 4, 7, 12, 19, 28 and question mark at the last. So for this, we need to know the difference here, because as we can tell here, these numbers are perfect squares for the first example, so we have done it. But here, we need to know the difference also, because 4 after there is a 7. So we cannot know whether that is a square. If it is a square or if it is a multiplication of some number and whatever. So we'll just see for the difference first here. So the difference is 3. 7 after the difference will be 5. Next 12. 19 minus 12 is how much? 7. So next 28 minus 19. So we just need to know the differences here. So with that we will be able to know. So that is 11. So every number it is being added with 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12 and 12 plus 7 is 19 and 19 plus 11 will be 28. So with that, next the answer, so here 7 after the difference is 9, I'm really sorry that I missed it. So it is plus 9 and then, so as we can see there is a series of the same odd numbers here again. So that is 3, 5, 7, 9 and then you need to add with 11, right? So if you add with 11, then your answer, so just add with 11, then your answer will be 39. Am I right? So next one. So 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 25. So for this, we just need to check whether it is an odd number or a square number or whatever, because as we can know that 11 after the number should be 12, but they are given 13. That means it can be an odd number or either a prime number. So you can see here 11 is an odd number and also a prime number. So 13 is also a prime number. So 17 is also a prime number. 19 is also a prime number. But here you can see that 25 is not a prime number. It is an odd number. So by this we can know that this series is of odd number series. So we just need to check. So what you will get next after this. So first one is 11. 13, 17, 19. So the difference of them will be 11. After the next continuation number is 13 only. So the next will be 15, but it is not there. So that means it is being skipping with one alternate number. So that is 17. So the next one is 19. Next is 23. Next is 25. Because here 15 is not an odd number. So you can see here 25 after it should be 29, because that is the only odd number, as you can see here in between of them. Okay. So the next one is 6, 12, 21 and question mark and 48. So as you can see here, the difference between these two is plus 6, and the difference between these two is, if you don't know the difference, just do the subtraction of them. So 21 minus 12. So it is 11 and 1. So here it will be 0 and here it will be 9. So the difference is 9. So the next difference we don't know, the next difference also we don't know, right? So but with this first number, we can know that 3 into 2, can we write? So this 6 as 3 into 2 and this 9 as 3 into 3. That means there is a multiple of 3 going with the next adding number. Like next will be 3 into 4 and here also it should be 3 into 5. So 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. Right? So the difference between these two should be 12 and the difference between these two should be 15. So just check with the addition of these two numbers and then write it, and check with the same two numbers whether you will get 48 or not. Like 21 plus 12 is 33. So 33 plus 15. So 33 plus 15 will be 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So that means you have got this 48, right? So your answer is now 33 confirmed, right? So these are few examples of number series. So I'll even let you know even more types of it and also more examples for this number series. And if you are watching my video for the first time, so please do subscribe it and like and share my video so that many students or many people can watch it, because as I started for you all and also for my students.